Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Kawthar. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome, and if you're already part of the family, you're also welcome. Thank you for clicking this video. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. I promise you would like it here. Today we are doing something to be a day in my life, but the time right now, it's currently like 1 p.m. and it's okay. I really still want to go on with this vlog, so let's go. So guys, the first place I would be going is I'm going to be sending out some orders I got yesterday, and afterwards I would go outside school and I'm gonna go in, and afterwards I will be going to Hamamat's school. We'll be meeting up, and yeah, let's go. 你好，哦，要几块的？好，对。啊，大概1000的。让这个妹妹上去。So guys, I have two disease. I'm gonna call it disease, right? But it's actually not disease. I am shy when it comes vlogging, like taking my camera everywhere and vlogging. I'm shy, and also I am shy when I speak Chinese, especially print out. I'm going to help our mom photocopy some stuff. And 你好，我要敷衍。Today's weather, guys, so confusing. It's cold and sunny at the same time. Like, I'm even thinking to myself, like, I should have worn like more clothes, but actually, guys, 你好，没有，没有，对的，啊，回来吧。I know they're going to ask me for something. Right now, I'm waiting for the bus, and 你好，哦，我要买花。哦，要什么样的花？ But anyways,
oh yeah, oh my god, this is so cute. How much is that?
let me ask. 哦，老板，你看，哎，老板这个多少钱？那个15。15？对。It's 15 块。
Pop that shit.
My basket here. And let's go see what's to buy. 芒果汁一杯。
现在没有芒果汁了。
没有芒果汁。
对。
哦，草莓奶昔一杯，芒果奶昔
2杯啊。
哦，对，一个是多少钱
？20。
20，好的。
请出示付款码。
中医药大学，那么对。什么15？不是10块吗？啊 ？No, okay. Taxi driver in China who just want to test your patience, like they just want to get on your nerves for nothing. Like, before I get into this taxi, the other one I'm going to join you out. I'm not going to my school, right? If it is my school, okay, fine, cool, I'll pay 15 kwai. But I'm just going to join you that is just right beside Business Street, and he told me 50. So guys, I am in Amamat school, and that girl, she's always want to make me wait. Like, she does not have respect for me. One bit respect she does not have. So I'm just walking to dormitory. Life, man.
Okay, no more. Oh, yeah, okay.
Woo! Now I'm with this big headed hair face or whatever. That's strawberry. She didn't give you. Okay, I didn't. Let's try that. Hi guys, good afternoon. It's a Saturday afternoon, a very cold Saturday afternoon. I did not finish the vlog yesterday because it was really cold, and yeah, I can't be holding my camera because I didn't take out any gloves while I was going out yesterday. I finished this vlog probably today, and here I am. Yesterday, you guys remember at the flower shop I got this flower, and I went through a lot like keeping this flower alive, because after I bought this flower I went to Ababat school, and this flower keeps dropping and it keeps like, and it's a live flower, so I thought it was going to die. Like I almost had hypertension. But when I got back to my school, to my dorms, like I just quickly put them inside water, and I thought they were going to die before this morning, but I think those babies are gonna live for some, I don't know, for some times, and they're just so pretty. Like I can't get over it. So now today I have not so much I want to do. Now I am going to go send out some orders. I got order this morning. I woke up to an order, so I'm going to go send it now. I have some things and I'm going to be picking them up, and yeah, I'm going to just continue this vlog today, so you guys should stay tuned. When I come back from picking of it, I picked it last night because of those flowers, because I don't have anything to put the flowers, so I got this flower vase, and it came in 2, 1 and 2. So I'm just going to pick all the things up, and I'll show you guys what I picked. So guys, I am back from getting my crazy. I got this, I think this is the jewelry and jewelry holder. Isn't this so cute? It's a jewelry holder. Today I'm going to be transforming this, my table. I'll be transforming it to, I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, and it comes in pink. It's going to be like this. I didn't expect it to be this big, because this is huge. The anger, I guess, and the screw, everything from this table, and I would be fixing this on the wall. See you guys in a bit. I am back from rearranging my table. This is what I got, and I am still arranging. Like, I'm so tired, and I feel like let me just end this vlog right here, because I might be super tired when I am done. I have to like do do something up there. And yeah guys, and I finished cooking. Oh, I made rice and stew I'm going to be eating. And yeah guys, thank you so much if you watched this vlog till this very end, even though the vlog lagged. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.
알았죠? 네, 알겠습니다. 우리 이제 잠시 롤로 세팅.